Okay, in this video, I want to talk about what does it mean when the slope is zero or when the slope is undefined. So first, we know that if we're given two different points on a straight line, P1 and P2, then we can use this formula to compute the slope. So the slope equals the difference of the y coordinates over the difference of the x coordinates, right? Now, let's take a look at this example. So here we're given two straight lines, and the first straight line, it passes these 4 points. So before we compute the slope of this straight line, let's first use these points to graph this straight line. So here I'm gonna use the software Desmos to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna type these 4 points I'm given. So 1, 2. Okay, I found the first. I have the first point, and 2 and 2, and 3 and 2, and 0 and 2. Okay. Now we can see if we connect these 4 points, we're gonna generate a horizontal line, and this horizontal line it gonna passes the number 2 on the y-axis. So actually here the equation is y equals 2. So this straight line has the equation y equals 2. Okay. Now let's think about what is the slope of this straight line. Well, to find the slope, we use this formula and use any 2 points. So let's say if I use these points and this point, okay. So my x1 gonna be 3, and the y1 gonna be 2, and x2 is 0, and y2 is 2. So the slope is equal to 2 minus 2 over 0 minus 3. And this equals 0 divided by negative 3, which is 0. So the conclusion is if a straight line is horizontal, then its slope it's gonna be 0. If a straight line is horizontal, then the slope is 0. Okay, now let's take a look at another example. So this time, this straight line passes the point 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and 1, 5. 1, 3, 1, 4, and 1, 5. Now, by connecting these 4 points, we will generate a vertical line, and this vertical line, it will pass this number 1 on the x-axis. So the equation of this vertical line is gonna be x equals 1. And this time, if we compute the slope, let's see if I use these 2 points to compute the slope. So the slope So x1 is 1, y1 is 2, and x2 equals 1, and y2 equals 3. The slope is y2 minus y1, so 3 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 1, which is 1 divided by 0, which is undefined, because everything divided by 0 is undefined. So if straight line is vertical, then the slope is undefined. It's undefined. And at this point, the equation is x equals 1. Okay, so if the equation we're given is fx equals some number, because fx and y they are the same thing, right? We said. So if the equation we're given is fx equals some number like 2, that means the straight line is gonna be a horizontal line, and at this point the slope is 0. If the equation we're given is x equals some numbers, that means the graph is a vertical line, and if it's a vertical line, then the slope is undefined. Okay, it's undefined. Now let's go back to our homework and let's take a look at this problem. In this problem, we wanna write the equation of the line that has the indicated slope and it contains the point. And we wanna express the final equation in standard form. So we're given that the slope is undefined. That means here we have a vertical line, and since this vertical line it passes the point 4, -7. So if we draw a vertical line that passes the point 4, -7, that vertical line, it will pass the number 4 on the x-axis. So the equation here is that vertical line is x equals 4. So here the answer is that equation is x equals 4.